Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. In this video, we will learn new words to express frustration in Kashmiri. By the end of this video, you will be able to say idiot, stubborn, shabby, and many more such words for expressing frustration in Kashmiri. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below this video now. So let's begin. Cho'r. Cho'r. Cho'r is a word used for an idiot or stupid. Heya cho'r chukha. Heya cho'r chukha, meaning, are you an idiot? Mud. Mud. Mud is a word used for a fool or an ignorant person. Ye chu mud. Ye chu mud, meaning he is a fool. Mand chavan kat. Mand chavan kat. Mand chavan kat is a word used for a person who brings shame on you. Ye gav fail examus. Mand chavan kat kolal. Ye gav fail examus. Mand chavan kat kolal, meaning he failed in the exams and brought us shame. Lan'ti kolal. Lan'ti kolal. Lan'ti kolal is a word used to say you are a curse. Deethkolal. Deethkolal. Deethkolal is used to say you are stubborn. Jandi'mot. Jandi'mot. Jandi'mot is used for a person who is with a poor personal hygiene or one whose clothes are stinking dirty. Khurilad kolal. Khurilad kolal. Khurilad kolal is used for a person who had a lot of tangles or issues in life. Kho'shik. Kho'shik. Kho'shik is used for a dry person, can be thinking or action-wise. Deethkolal. Deethkolal. Deethkolal is used for a person who has a very bad handwriting or one who cannot write properly. Azarvun chuya. Azarvun chuya. Azarvun chuya is used for a person who brings bad luck by simply looking at things, which also mean to have evil eyes. Phanamogul. Phanamogul. Phanamogul is a person who brings destruction wherever he goes. Yaedal kolal. Yaedal kolal. Yaedal kolal is a person who keeps on eating endlessly. Shikas'lad. Shikas'lad. Shikas'lad is a person who brings misfortune with him or her. Satinaye dast. Satinaye dast. Satinaye dast is used for a person who cannot sit at one place at home and keeps on going out time and again. Pazar din. Pazar din. Pazar din is used to signify the fact that someone dishonored or brought humiliation to another person. For example, hata em deeth tinkuhas pazar. Hata em deeth tinkuhas pazar, meaning, hey listen, he humiliated Tinku. That's all for this video. If you know any other expression for frustration, write down in the comment box of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.